Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add collaboration in Instagram after posting. So if you open your Instagram app, as you can see on your screen, you just have to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner to open up your profile page. So basically, if you're going to choose any of your Instagram post, for example here, you just need to tap on the three dots right there at the top right of that post and then tap on this edit button. And here, if you're going to look at your post, as you can see, you'll find an option that says add paid partnership label. Now, if you don't have that option, add paid partnership label, well, all you need to do here is go back to your profile page and then you just have to go to your settings. So go back to profile page and then tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now, once you tap on the three lines at the top right hand, you'll find this settings and privacy. And under your settings and privacy, you want to scroll down until you find this option help. And then you just have to tap on report a problem. And then here you can disable the shake phone. And then you just have to tap on report problem button. And here you just need to tap on don't include. And you just have to briefly describe your issue on Instagram. So, for example, you can type, I cannot add a collaboration to my Instagram post after I have posted it. I don't want to delete the post and repost it again. Please resolve this issue. Thank you. And then you just have to wait for the Instagram support to respond to your message and that it should be fixed the issue on how you can add that collaboration in Instagram after posting. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.